Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Get Cooking. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make crepes. They're super easy to make. You probably have the ingredients at home. I swear it's super easy. So if you want to go ahead and learn how to make this for your husband, your wife, your mom, your dad, go ahead and stay tuned and I'm going to be showing you guys how. Alright guys, so to get started, here I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Here I have 3 tablespoons of sugar. Here I have 1/4 of melted butter, and here I have the block of butter I'm just going to be using to spread it around the pan. And I'm going to be using 2 eggs, and here I have 1.5 cups of milk and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And these are the toppings. These are totally optional. You could use whatever you like. Here I'm using Nutella, strawberries, chocolate drizzle, and whipped cream. So you could feel free to use any type of topping you like. Alright guys, so I'm going to begin adding all of my mixture into the blender. So I'm adding the flour, and it doesn't have to be in order. You could add it however you want. If you want to start off with the milk first, is all up to you. And here you guys, I'm using a blender. Before I've used my hand mixer that I have, but I didn't like it as much. I'm probably not even using it right. To be honest, I hardly ever use it. Just every once in a while when I decide to make a cake. But anyways, I feel like a blender is so much easier and better just because you'll make sure that there's no clumps. So you can use whatever you like. And yeah, just add all the ingredients all together, and then you're just gonna begin mixing. Alright guys, so you're gonna go ahead and add everything into your blender. Just don't be like me. As you guys could see right there, I completely forgot to add the sugar. I didn't realize until I was about to add the batter into my pan, and I was like, crap. So I went ahead and added back into my blender so it could all mix together. If you do forget, don't worry, it should be fine. So just blend everything completely together, and then we'll get ready into adding it into the pan. And here I'm just adding very little butter, and I'm just kind of like pancakes, and just spread it all around so it doesn't get stuck. So here I have my batter. What I'm going to begin doing is grab it and put it in the center, and grab my pan and slowly start tilting it all over, just as you could see, just so the mixture could start going all over. And then you're just going to leave it just like that. It's going to do its own work. Sorry if you could hear that noise. We live close to a Navy base, so there's always jets just... Okay, like I was saying, I don't think you can still hear it. So yeah, just tilt it around, and it's just gonna keep it on medium heat. So mine's an electric stove, so probably like around number 5 is where I have it at. And it cooks for about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so after about a 2-minute mark, I'm just checking the edges, and you'll know when they're done when the edges start looking golden brown. So I'm just gonna start kind of lifting it up, and you could use your hands or you could use a spatula, whichever is safer for you. And I'm just lifting it with my hand, and I see that it's pretty much done on that side, so I just flip it over, and then I let it cook for another 2 minutes. And just pretty much it's the same 2 minutes on each side. You just want it to get a nice golden brown, and don't worry if it doesn't look perfect. The first ones are always not going to come out the perfect or best looking. So just okay, so it's already been a 2-minute mark for the other side, and it's pretty much already done. I just wanted to give it more of a nice texture color, so I just flipped it over again just for about another minute. But in total it's about 2 minutes each side. So after that, it is ready to go, and you're just going to continue the steps as I showed you before. And now let's go ahead and go over so we could go ahead and take it and start adding our toppings. Alright guys, so here I have all of my crepes. They're nice and ready. They don't have to look perfect, so don't worry about that. And like I said, this makes close to about 6 to 8 crepes. So here I'm going to begin adding my toppings. So I'm going to start off with Nutella. So I'm going to add some Nutella, and I'm just going to spread it. This is totally optional. You could spread it all over, or just in a center, or however you want. I'm just doing it for presentation, so you add toppings up to your liking. what happens when you buy whipped cream and you have a child and a husband. You have to hide it. If not, they will finish it. So too bad for them. Now they're just gonna have to eat it without whipped cream. And this is your final result. These are your crepes. They were so easy to make, so delicious, and with very simple ingredients that you could make at home. So goes perfect, for a romantic breakfast, if you're trying to make something for your husband or for you guys that want to do something special for your wife. This is so easy to make. I guarantee she's gonna love it, your husband's gonna love it. So go ahead and give it a try. I will leave all the ingredients down below. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video.